Last video we saw 7th sum. Now we are going to see 8th sum. Consider the functions f of x, g of x, h of x as given below. Show that f of g of h is equal to f of g of h in each cases. So f of x they given, g of x they given, h of x they given, right? First we are going to write the what is associative property they given here. F of g of h is equal to f of g of h. So first you just take left hand side. What is left hand side here they given? F of g of h. So first you are going to prove f of g. Inside the bracket only you are going to solve first. So f of g equal to, you know very well, f you should write outside, inside g of x. Okay. Then write f as it is. What is g of x value here? 3x plus 1. Now f of x here also what function we are going to substitute? F function, right? So just see f function here x, here x. Instead of this x, what value we are going to apply? 3x plus 1. So apply it 3x plus 1. Already they given minus 1 also, write minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancel. So f of g equal to 3x. Okay. So we are going to complete now fully. So f of g of h. So what here only you should consider, inside the bracket is one function and outside the bracket is one function. So two functions is there. So outside bracket you just write like this, f of g, inside bracket h of x. So f of g write as such. What is h of x value here? X square. Substitute in which function you are going to substitute? What is the outer function? F of g. So what is f of g value? Already we found, right? 3x. Instead of this x, what value you are going to substitute? X square. So 3 instead of x you are going to apply x square. So this is first equation. This is first equation. So put the box and write first equation. Now RHS. You know very well they given here, what RHS they given? F of g of h, right? So first inside the bracket you just write g of h. So which one you should write outside? G. What you should write inside? H of x. Okay. G write as h. H of x. What is the value for h of x? X square. Just substitute in g because here they given g function only. So what is g function? Here x, here also x is there. Instead of this x, what value you are going to apply? X square, right? So 3x instead of x, x square plus 1. This is g of x. Now we are going to complete fully. What they given fully? F of g of h. Okay. So first function you write outside and second function you write inside. Okay. Then f as such, what value you got now? G of h, what value you got now? G of h. So 3x square plus 1. Okay, now where we are going to substitute? What is the outer function? F. So f of x equal to x minus 1. Instead of this x, you are going to apply 3x square plus 1. So 3x square plus 1, already in function minus 1 is there. So plus 1 minus 1 will be cancel. So f of g of h equal to 3x square. This is second equation. So from 1 and 2, f of g of h is equal to f of g of h. Hence proved. Equal. Both are equal. Both got equal answer. See, for in first equation 3x square, second equation also 3x square. So both equation answer is same. So you just write like this. This is the final answer. Hence proved. Okay, thank you. We will see next sum 8th second sum in next video. Thank you.